Good afternoon. My name's Jeff. I work here at Renovation Flooring in Miramar Beach. I'm a project manager and account manager. Recently, the Destin Chamber of Commerce reached out to us asking for a quote to replace the carpet in their conference room. We went over, visited, measured it out, and we ended up quoting, and we were fortunate enough to be given the job. We removed the old wall-to-wall glue-down commercial-grade carpet, and then we're reinstalling carpet tile. One of the reasons why the chamber wanted to change out the carpet was because over the years they had gotten stains in multiple areas of the carpet that they could no longer clean out. And because it was wall-to-wall commercial carpet, it was too costly to attempt to repair it. Finally, they were able to save up to be able to afford that renovation. And these videos and clips show you us removing the carpet, sanding down the old crystallized glue, and then reinstalling the commercial carpet. We also took the time to reinstall new cove base in certain areas and also the new trims. If you're interested in a quote for some light to heavy commercial work, feel free to reach out to us here at Renovation Flooring in Miramar Beach.